All right, Corvette collectors, you want to check this one out. 1996 Chevrolet Corvette. This does have the collector's edition package. So it would be one of approximately, I believe it's 4,031 coupes that were made in 1996. Obviously in Sebring silver, which is the only color you could have gotten the collector's edition in. This particular car came to us from a Corvette collector, it's been a few years back. We then sold it to a gentleman that also collected Corvettes, had it for, I suppose, 5-6 years, and ended up seeing a real low mile C5 that we had, and got a hold of us, see if we'd consider a trade with him. And of course we knew this car and how nice it was, so we traded this back in on a C5 that he wanted. So that's a little history on it. It has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, no paint work appears to have ever been done on this car. Very, very solid, clean, nice 96 Chevrolet Corvette Collector's Edition. Powered by the LT1 V8, approximately 300 horse. I believe it would have been a 96. You can check out the still pictures if you'd like to see the underside of the car, the engine bay, the interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you'd like to inquire about this car, maybe you have a trade you'd like us to consider, or you're wondering about transportation, feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. That's where you can reach us. And of course, like I said, we do consider trades. We can assist you with transportation to where you're located at. And of course, there is financing available for these vehicles. As you can see, it has a removable hard top. I have in the hatch there, so it is the matching Sebring silver top. Collector's edition would have came with the embroidered seat. These are an extremely comfortable Corvette. In the later 90s, this would have been the last year of the C4, hence the collector's edition. Has had the tires replaced. Those are not the original 20-year-old tires, so don't be afraid to take this one out and drive it a little bit. This car has just a little under 7,400 miles, I believe it is, 73,000 and some odd miles. Get around to the driver's side, I'll pop that open for you and you can check it out. As you can see, just all the way around, extremely nice Corvette. I have the key on. That's why that radio antenna was up. I was seeing if the radio worked and the antenna and everything was working. I left the key on, so that's why that antenna is up. It does power up and down as you would expect. It works properly. This is an automatic, 4-speed automatic in this car. As you can see there, no manual shift. It does have power driver's seat with all the lumbars. Like I said, very comfortable seats in these later model C4s. It also has the Corvette Coupe Preferred Group 1, FYI. Check in my little cheat sheet there. So a couple nice packages on this car. This car actually would have retailed for $41,000 approximately. There is also a copy of the window sticker and I believe the build sheet. Take a look at the still pictures. Again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, like I said, phone number you can reach us at 507-386-1726. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, as you can see, 73,088 miles. No warning indicators, just the door ajar and the safety belt. Since I'm not going to climb in this and climb back out, just want to show you what the interior looks like. Black interior to this car was available in 3 different colors. I believe black, gray, and bright red. So again, very, very nice interior also. The other thing I'll show you is I did click that radio off. The antenna goes down, so just want to let you know the power antenna does work properly. I'm going to go ahead and pop this hood. May be able to do it here without pausing the video on this one. So you can check out the engine bay. This thing is spotless. See how smooth this engine runs. How nice and clean the engine bay is. There you have it. And again, you can check out these still pictures. Underside of the car, extremely clean. Interior, hatch, uniqueclassiccars.com. See that LT1? running very smoothly in there. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. If you have any questions on this Collector's Edition 1996 Chevrolet Corvette, once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist you with transportation where you're located at. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com.